ATNF stock analysis price predictions for next week, Monday, is 180 life sciences stock a buy. I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1 minute video. Here's the biggest part here. It's going to be kind of the roadmap, the new update, the is it a buy now question, and the next steps. But for sure, after a crazy pump, guess who's here trying to double down and click back? Well, me, but it's not going to randomly happen. I'm going to show you exactly when I'll buy. With ATNF, I've also gotten about 2 receipts in the Discord. And again, sticking to the 45,000 video track record data strategy. The only thing that I'll actually move forward with is if I see a 30-minute to 1 hour second close above 775. And it's not just that. It just also must give me a second range shift. You know what I mean? So that's how things are looking like. This is by no means financial advice. And also, I mean, that's all I kind of have to say regarding ATNF. Like just stay chill. I have all these other ticker symbols that I'm covering. And if you want to get free money making emails and insights, just click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.